By the year 2050, the entire Earth will have experienced profound and dramatic changes caused by climate change, a crisis driven by human activities such as fossil fuel use, deforestation, and industrialization, which have increased greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, leading to global temperature rises of 1.5 to 2 degrees Celsius or more above pre-industrial levels. Though this warming is global, its effects will be deeply felt in every region, including India, where diverse landscapes from the Himalayan mountains to vast plains, bustling cities, and coastal villages illustrate the story of a warming planet. Indian glaciers melting rapidly mirror glacial retreat worldwide, signaling fresh water shortages for millions dependent on these life-giving rivers, just as similar challenges threaten other great river basins around the world. Rising seas encroach on Indian coastal cities like Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata, threatening millions of residents with floods, saltwater contamination of fresh water, and displacement, reflecting a pattern also seen in vulnerable coastal areas globally. Extreme weather events such as powerful cyclones along the Bay of Bengal, scorching heat waves over northern India, prolonged droughts in arid states like Rajasthan, and fierce wildfires in forest regions parallel intensifying climate hazards worldwide, disrupting ecosystems and livelihoods. India's rich biodiversity, from coral reefs in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands to dense forests in the Western Ghats, faces threats similar to those endangering ecosystems globally, as rising temperatures and shifting rainfall patterns cause habitat loss and species migration. Indian farmers grapple with unpredictable monsoons and heat stress affecting crop yields and food security, mirroring challenges faced by agricultural communities across continents. Water scarcity worsens as Himalayan glacier melt reduces river flows, while urban and rural populations face growing difficulty accessing clean water, just as billions worldwide confront the same crisis. Health risks including heat-related illnesses and vector-borne diseases like dengue and malaria increase in India's varied climates, echoing global trends as disease vectors expand their reach with warming temperatures. The mental health burden from climate disasters and displacement weighs heavily on Indian families, representing the experience of millions globally forced to migrate within or across borders due to climate impacts. Yet, amid these shared global challenges, India exemplifies hope and resilience through its rapid expansion of renewable energy, solar farms shining across the Thar Desert, wind turbines spinning along coastal shores, demonstrating pathways towards sustainable development that many nations seek. Conservation efforts protect vital ecosystems like the Sundarbans mangroves and Western Ghats forests, echoing similar global initiatives to safeguard nature's carbon sinks. Agricultural innovations, such as drought-tolerant crops and water-saving techniques practiced by Indian farmers, inspire climate-smart farming worldwide. Cities in India are adapting with improved infrastructure designed to withstand floods and heat, reflecting urban resilience efforts seen internationally. Policies and community activism in India, driven by youth movements from Delhi to Chennai, village cooperatives, and national climate plans, showcase collective determination to combat climate change. Individual actions by Indians reducing waste, conserving energy, and supporting sustainable products contribute to a global mosaic of solutions. Ultimately, the future of Earth in 2050 hinges on the choices humanity makes today. Through the lens of India's landscapes, people, and innovations, we can visualize a future that is shared by all, a future where responsibility, innovation, and cooperation create a world in balance, rich with life and opportunity for every person, everywhere. The images of India's people, their struggles, hopes, and actions, remind us that while climate change is a global crisis, solutions are rooted in local cultures, communities, and collective resolve, underscoring the universal truth that the future is ours to shape together.
Urgent actions against climate change are essential. Neglecting this issue could have dire repercussions for our planet and future generations. We must come together to cultivate a sustainable and vibrant Earth. By 2050, technology will harmoniously coexist with nature worldwide. Urban environments will showcase vertical Indians gardens, Indians utilizing renewable energy for residential and commercial needs. The polluted air will transform into the invigorating sense of thriving ecosystems, highlighting the significance of sustainability. As Indian cities transform into green oases, human collaboration with nature will lead to a brighter future. Achieving this vision demands collective effort and unwavering commitment from Indian individuals, communities, and governments alike. Every small action plays a vital role in ensuring that future generations inherit a vibrant and habitable planet. Together, we are capable of fostering a resilient Earth that coexists in harmony with its inhabitants. In this envisioned future, Indian public transportation will operate efficiently and be electrified, linking urban and suburban areas seamlessly. Indian communities will prioritize green spaces, establishing parks that serve as the lungs of our cities, creating havens for both Indian people and wildlife.